All right, this time we're going to be putting some examples out there for you on solving problems involving multiple percents. This is on another lesson 12, and we will be working these together, working a few examples so that you can do the rest on your own. All right, number one, a chair's regular price is $349. It is on clearance for 30% off, and a customer uses a 15% off coupon after that. What's the final cost of the chair before sales tax? All right, well, let's get started on this. It costs $349, and it's clearanced for 30% off. So we need to find out how much it is for 30% off. All right, so we would say $349. Now, if it is 30% off, that means they're going to pay 70% of the price. So we could just say $349 times 70%, because that's how much they're actually going to pay. And then we only come up with one number. Now, if we do 30% off first, then that means we have to subtract it from the 349. But this way, we only have to do one multiplication problem. So we're going to say 349 times 0.7, because and if you need the zero there to see it, that's fine. You move it 2 places to the left. So the sales price on clearance is going to be $244.30. Now, they have a coupon for 15% off of that. So we're going to take that price right there, that $244.30, and we're going to take away another 15%. Now, if it is 15% off, let's go right here. Let's do this so you can see it. If it's 15% off, that's going to mean that you are going to pay whatever 100 minus 15 is. And if you don't know what that is, it's 100 minus 15. That'll be 85%. So the cost is 85% of the clearance price. All right. Go down here. So it's 85% of the clearance price. So we're going to say times 0.85. 0.85, not 0.85. All right, so let's see what that is. We said $244.30 times 0.85. That's going to give us $207 and not 65 cents, but 66 cents, because it will round up. There's a 5, so we will round that up. All right, let's look at problem 2. It says a calculator is listed for $110 and on clearance for 35% off. Sales tax is 7%. So what are you actually going to pay? Well, first of all, you need to take your $110. Now, it's 35% off. And okay, $110, 35% off. So you will pay, well, what's 35 from 100? If it's 35% off, you're going to end up paying 65% of the price. All right, so we've got $110 times, and we change 65% to a decimal, 0.65. All right, so let's see how much you're actually going to pay for it. 110 times 0.65, and that equals $71.50. So $71.50 is what it costs. Now, you have to pay sales tax. See how much it says the sales tax is? Sales tax is 7%. All right, so let's figure out how much that is. Now, you can take your $71.50 times your sales tax. And when you change that to a decimal, remember, move it 2 places to the left, 0.07. All right, we need to know what that is because that's the sales tax. And then after we do all of that right there, we have to add it to the cost that you were using there. $71.50. All right. Because you need the tax right here plus that amount, and that will tell you how much total they paid. All right, so let's do that. We've already got our 71.5 times 0.07. All right. Now it looks like it's going to be $5.01. So you're going to have to round that up to $5.01. And then you're going to add your 71.50, 71.5. So in total, going to pay $76.51. All right, there we go. All right, let's look at number 3 together. It says Kara started working for $9 per hour. She earns a 4% raise every year. What is her hourly wage after 3 years? Well, first of all, right now she's making $9 per hour. Now, in 1 year, or after 1 year, she's going to get a 3% or a 4% raise. So after 1 year, she gets a 3% raise. All right, so let's see how much a 3% raise is. So $9 times 3% would be 0.03. And that's equal to, let's see what that is. $9 times 0.03, that equals 27 cents. So she's going to get a 27-cent raise. So that means that she'll be making $9.27 per hour. Now, after 2 years, for the second year, she gets another 3% raise on that. So we're going to take our $9.27. We're going to multiply it again times 0.03 and find out how much of a raise she got right there. Well, hear this. So we've got $9.27 times 0.03. That's going to equal another 27 cents, but there's an 8 right here, so she gets a 28-cent raise, 0.28 this time. All right, and when we add that to 927, $0.28, she is now making $9.55. Now we got 1 more year here. After 3 years, she gets a 3% raise again. All right, so let's take our $9.55 that she's now making, and we're going to multiply it times 3% again, and let's find out how much her raise is. So 955 times 0.03. So this time she's going to get a 29-cent raise because here's 28 and there's the 6 beside it. So 0.29 is her raise. So let's say 955, 9.55 plus 0.29. She is now making $9.84. And that is after 3 years of 3% raises. All right, that was problems 1, 2, and 3. I'll save the document and attach it. Finish the video, and then you can write those down if you need to or see how they worked it. But you have 2 more problems on this page, and then 4 problems on this page that you're going to need to work on your own.